How often do you buy others gifts?
Since I'm one of those idealists when it comes to buying presents, not often do I buy others gifts, but it doesn't have to be a special occasion that I send them presents. Especially to my friends, just a small gift like a handmade bracelet or a simple drawing could make the day.
Do you like to send expensive gifts?
Well, sending pricey presents is a no-no for me. First of all, expensive gifts may cost me an arm and a leg. And second of all, I don't think my friends, who are my most frequent receivers of my presents, would be actually happy if they know the price. And they also don't need expensive stuff either. So I would say for me, sending expensive gifts is unpreferable and unnecessary.
What kinds of gifts are popular in your country?
I think gifts are becoming more diverse these days. Stuffed animals, accessories, jewelries and flowers are too traditional for the young. Probably handmade stuff is currently on top of the list because of their spiritual value. And sometimes it doesn't have to be a physical gift. Probably a delicious homemade meal is enough to make the day.
Why do people send gifts?
For so many reasons, I suppose. The first reason I could think of is to celebrate a big day in the receiver's life. It could be his or her birthday, graduation or wedding. Another possible reason is to cheer the receiver up, especially when they are overcoming life obstacles.
Now let's look at the vocabularies and their meanings in the speaking between the examiner and candidate on a topic: gifts. Idealist is a noun. A person who is guided more by ideals than by practical considerations. Make someone's day is an idiom. Make an otherwise ordinary or dull day pleasingly memorable for someone. To be a no-no for somebody, expression. To be impossible or inadvisable for someone. To cost so an arm and a leg is a phrase. To be very expensive. Diverse is an adjective. Many and different. Stuffed animals, expression. A toy animal made from cloth and filled with a soft material so that it is pleasant to hold. Spiritual value is a noun. Something that is especially meaningful and memorable. Make one's day is a phrase. To make an otherwise ordinary or dull day pleasingly memorable for someone. So's big day is an idiom. A very important or significant day. To cheer so up is an idiom. To make or become less miserable. To overcome an obstacle is a phrase. To succeed in dealing with a problem or difficulty. You can also use the dictionary to confirm all the vocabularies and the idioms. Use idiom books.